Good morning friends. Today we are learn about a distance formula. Last topic we have to already studied about the distance between 2 points in a xy plane. First point we have to calculate the distance between 2 points. That 2 points are on the x axis or y axis. That means 2 points lie on a x axis or 2 points lie on a y axis. Then distance between them is calculated by using x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1 corresponding formulas. That means 2 points lie on x-axis, then their corresponding distance is x2 minus x1. If 2 points lie on y-axis, then their corresponding distance is y2 minus y1. Next point we have to study is that if a segment joining a 2 point, that segment is a parallel to x-axis, then their distance between 2 points is nothing but the x2 minus x1. And a segment that joining a 2 point is a parallel to y-axis, then their distance between 2 points is nothing but the y2 minus y1. Already these two formulas will be studied. Now today we have to study about the distance formula. Later on we study this formula. In this formula, 2 points that does not having any coordinate is same or equal. That means coordinate of point A and coordinate of point B are different point. That means coordinate of A is nothing but the x1 y1 and the coordinate of B is nothing but the x2 y2. That means in this case no x coordinate is the same, no y coordinate is the same. Then how will we calculate the distance between A, B? Now first we have to draw a perpendicular from a point B on a x-axis. And next we can draw a perpendicular from a point A to a newly drawn axis that intersects suppose at a point D. Okay, we have to calculate the coordinate of a point D. It intersect at a point x2. Coordinate of D is nothing but the x2 and a y1. Okay, here we have to clear that coordinate of D is nothing but the x2 y1. From point B we can draw a perpendicular that intersect at a point x2. From a point A we can draw a perpendicular that intersect at a point D. Coordinate of D is nothing but x2 y1. Then triangle ABD or triangle ADB is nothing but the right angle triangle. Triangle ADB is right angle triangle. If this is a right angle triangle, then we can use a Pythagoras theorem. And Pythagoras theorem states that square of hypotenuse, that means AB square, is equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay, firstly we have to calculate a distance between A and D. Distance of AD. Okay, A having coordinate x1 y1, D having coordinate x2 y1. Here y1, here y1. That means y coordinate are same, equal. Y coordinate are same or equal, then their distance between these 2 points are nothing but the difference between their x coordinate x2 and x1. That means x2 minus x1. Okay, got it this point? Distance between A and D is equal to a difference of their only x coordinate. That means x1, x2 and x1. Not y1, y1, because y1 and y1 are the same coordinates. Okay, equal coordinate. That's why we cannot difference between them. we only take a difference, that is x2 and x1. Next, distance B and D. Take this point B and D. Here x2, x2. That means x coordinate are same. Y coordinate are different. Therefore, we can take only a y2 minus y1. Put this value in a equation, Pythagoras equation. Then we get AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 AD square, that y bracket square, plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. We want only AB. Okay, here we get AB square, but we want only AB by taking square root. Taking square root, then we get AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, and this is nothing but the distance formula. Let's recalling a distance formula. In this case, we are considering a 2 point. First point A having coordinate x1, y1. Second point B having coordinate x2, y2. Line joining or segment joining, that is AB. These two x and y coordinates are difference of A and B. Therefore, we are taking draw a perpendicular from a point B to x-axis intersect at x2. Again, draw a perpendicular from A to D. Coordinate of D is nothing but the x2, y1. Triangle ADB is nothing but the right angle triangle. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can write the formula AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. We can find AD as well as BD. Distance of AD is nothing but the A and D. Coordinate y1, y1 are same. Therefore, take a difference x2 minus x1. Distance of AD is equal to x2 minus x1. Second, we have to considering BD. x2, y2, x2, y1. x2, x2 are same. Therefore, we are taking the difference between y2 and y1. y2 minus y1. Therefore, distance BD is equal to y2 minus y1. Put this value AD and BD in above equation. We get AB square is equal to x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Taking square root, AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, and this is nothing but the our distance formula. Okay friends, thank you.